nice thing. Oh, this blue row. Awesome. My friends, Miss Courtney, can you say good morning, Miss Courtney?
Good morning, Miss Courtney.
And Miss Courtney's a first grade teacher too. And guess what? I came today because Miss Duenas and I are friends, and she said her first graders are the best at reading and writing. And I said, wait, my first graders are the best too. And she said, well, you come to my class and show me. Who's there? Your class or my class?
Our class.
That means that if you're first graders and it's already October, you're not like kindergarten students. Kindergarten students do this when we're talking. Kindergarten students open the markers and write all over when I'm talking. I think that's pretty rude. Do you think so?
Yeah.
And if we need help, then I'm going to just ask you to go back to your desk. Because Miss Courtney thinks that you could sit here for just 10 minutes and listen to Miss Courtney. Well, you help me.
Well.
Is that a deal? Thumbs up?
Yes.
Got it. Let me see you put your whiteboard down. Can you put your markers to the side? Show me your hands. Twinkle, 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 twinkle your hands to me. And I don't need a mouse. Put them in your lap. My two friends. That's already one warning. I'm waiting because Miss Courtney didn't say to take her markers out, right? I said your hands in your lap. Thank you. So Miss Courtney came today because I heard you're word detectives. And my students, they're word detectives too. And they're looking for like all the hard parts in their books, but they're not giving up. They're being a good detective and trying out those tricky words. Thumbs up if you're a great word detective too. And Miss Duenas and I were talking about it, and I said, Miss Duenas, you know what? These tricky words, sometimes you're going to have to be even better I Spyers and better word detectives and really look closely at these word parts to figure out the tricky word. And do you know what happened yesterday? Miss Courtney was walking, la 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 la, and I tripped, like that, and I fell down because I didn't see on the floor there was a crack, and I tripped on it, and I didn't look closely because I was talking, and I didn't see it. Instead of looking closely and paying attention, I tripped. So today I was thinking, I don't want these Val teams, that's what they're called, I don't want these guys to trip you up and make you fall, but we're going to tackle them together. Thumbs up?
Yeah.
So today, I want to show you how we're going to be good I Spyers. Show me your I Spyers. And we're going to see these two Val teams, but they're hidden. They're hiding, like they're playing hide and go seek inside of words that you already know. So I want you to watch me. I'm going to show you a word that you already know on your word wall. And when I look at this word, I see two vowels that are standing next to each other, one right here and one right here. And they say their names. So how many of you, can you thumbs up if you see two vowels side by side? Whisper to your partner, what's the two vowels side by side? What do you see together? Oh my, 1, 2, 3, eyes on me.
1, 2, 3, eyes on you.
I heard you say, I see the E. And these two vowel teams together, they're friends. They're walking together side by side, and it makes the E. So anytime that you guys see two vowels together, right, you know, hey, I know C already. These two vowels, the teams, they're hiding it in that word. I think I know how to read the word. Like this.
You can make words like this.
Fee. Fit. Huh.
Feet.
What? Now think. Say it slowly. Write the sounds that you hear. And when you're done, just show me with your voice. Try your best. Thumbs up if you got the E-E in tree. Give yourself a check.
Check.
Now guess what? You see this? This is going to help you remember. Look out for vowel teams. They're going to be walking together. Okay, ready? Erase your boards.
I see a ball.
Yeah. I see another word that Miss Dwen has had here, but she took it off so she could get it laminated to make it nice. And I want to show you your other word book, okay? Your snap word. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, we got that guy. Huh. What two vowel teams are walking side by side together? Who can tell me? What two vowel teams? Can you whisper to your partner? What two letters are walking next to each other? Tell your partner. Eyes on me. We're detectives. You guys are so great at whispering.
It was E-A.
Don't shout out. Just watch me.
Oh.
How many of you found EA walking together? And this word says eat. Well, if these vowel teams are walking together, then I think I could spell other words and I could read other words, right, with the EA together. Let's try it. I'm going to show you something. You ready? Here I go. Ready? Watch me. Eyes on me. Ready? Watch me first.
P. Can you erase no? P. I wrote P.
All right.
I wrote P.
Everyone, can you write this word on your whiteboard,
I
please?
wrote P. 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 See that P?
And can you put a little box on the E and the A?
I know who wrong.
What does this word
Something
say?
rhyme. Something rhyme.
What does the word say?
Eat.
Can you
Eat.
Now what does the word say? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Can you all tell me the word? Go.
Eat. Something
Each.
rhyme.
What's the word? Each. Oh my gosh. Put your hands down, your markers down.
Can I write little P?
You ready? I'm going to show you another one. Please sit down. Ready?
Look.
Oh, I'm going to wait for my readers to be ready.
Oh
and
yes,
word
Jacob not
detectives.
here no more. Yes.
Hi, friend.
Eat feet. Eat feet.
Thank you. You can watch with your eyes.
Who eat feet?
All right.
Who marked
Here we go. I'm going to try another one. Ready?
Can I just erase it?
Miss Courtney likes to eat meat. Okay, wait, now think. How do you spell meat?
Oh, that's so easy.
Eat. Go ahead, try it. Meat. Meat. Try it. Meat. Now remember, if I know this makes an E, meat. And can you show me? Word detectives. Does your meat look like Miss Courtney's?
Yes.
How many of yours looks like Miss Courtney's?
Me.
Awesome. Okay, erase your board.
I already erased my board.
No. Word detectives. Can you put your markers down, your whiteboards down, hands in your lap? 5, 4, walking together. Don't get tripped up, but don't trip like Miss Courtney did. And don't let that stop you. You're gonna try your best to read and write these vowel teams together. Because look, they're inside words you already know. You knew eat, the EA. You knew see, the EE. So you know you could read and write other words. They're just hiding. Thumbs up if we could give it a try and read it today. Okay, let's see if you are sitting on the yellow right here. Can you show me how you just stand there quietly and walk back to start reading your book bags? Ready? This row right here. Can you show me how you tippy-toe back? Go. Go ahead. You can leave your whiteboards here on the floor. Just tippy-toe back. Awesome. They're setting up so nicely. They're going to take a book out. Sitting on this blue row right here, can you show me how you leave everything and just tippy-toe back?